Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. The petitioner has filed this petition seeking issuance of writ of mandamus to direct the second respondent to refer the dispute arising out of the acquisition of the lands belonging to the petitioner in survey numbers 113 and 123 of Raigad village, Dhanbad district to the sub-court Dhanbad under section 18 of the Land Acquisition Act. The case of the petitioner is that the first respondent acquired the land belonging to him in survey numbers 113 and 123 of Raigad village, Dhanbad district as early as in the year 1998, and notification was also issued in the Government Gazette including the name of the petitioner as owner of the property. The petitioner participated in the acquisition proceedings and sought for enhancement of amount towards compensation since the respondents 1 and 2 had offered compensation which is in no way commensurate with the market value of the property. It is the further case of the petitioner that in the year 1998 the value of the property is substantial and it had high potential value. The petitioner demanded the second respondent to pay the compensation as determined and thereafter to refer the matter to the civil court under section 18 of the Land Acquisition Act. The petitioner had spent several lakhs for making the land cultivable and had also raised stone fences, posts, etc., and hence he demanded compensation for the improvement made as well. It is the further case of the petitioner that the petitioner made representation on 18/4/2014 and the same was duly acknowledged by the officials of the third respondent. However, the third respondent only expressed that the amounts were deposited with the first respondent. Aggrieved by the inaction of the respondents, the petitioner has filed this writ petition. Mr. Lakshman, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, would submit that though the petitioner participated in the award inquiry and expressed that the amount arrived at by the land acquisition officer is very meager amount and agreed the award amount with objection, the land acquisition officer did not refer the matter to the competent civil court under section 18 of the Land Acquisition Act for enhancement of compensation. The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner would further submit that when the landowner appeared before the award inquiry, if he express his objection and requests for reference, it is implied that the landowner has not agreed to the compensation and it is the duty cast upon the land acquisition officer to refer the matter to the competent civil court under section 18 of the Land Acquisition Act for enhancement of compensation. However, till the year 2014, the land acquisition officer did not refer the matter to the competent civil court. Hence, the petitioner issued lawyer notice and filed this writ petition. Per contra, the learned counsel appearing for the respondents 2 and 3 would submit that the land was acquired in the year 1998 for the purpose of formation of substation in the Nilgiri Lignite Corporation and subsequently under the provisions of Nilgiri Lignite Corporation Limited Acquisition and Transfer of Power Transmission System Act 2004, which came into force from 1/4/2002. The Government of India has acquired the business relating to power transmission of Nilgiri Lignite Corporation Limited and transferred the same to Power Grid Corporation of India together with the right, title and interest of the company in power transmission system situated in different part of India. The learned counsel appearing for the respondents 2 and 3 would further submit that accordingly the business relating to power transmission of Nilgiri Lignite Corporation Limited, including the properties acquired for the same, have been transferred to Messrs. Power Grid Corporation of India. He would further submit that the petitioner had knowledge of the fact that the lands in question are in possession of the Power Grid Corporation of India and would further submit that due to non-attendance of the petitioner, the compensation amount in respect of the subject lands have been deposited in the District Treasury, Dhanbad, long back in the year 2001. The learned counsel appearing for the respondents 2 and 3 would further submit that after following due procedure under the Land Acquisition Act Award number 3 2000 dated 26/11/2000 came to be passed and would further submit that the petitioner was aware of the acquisition proceedings and also participated in the same. He would further submit that since the petitioner participated in the acquisition proceedings, it is the duty cast upon him to make application under section 18(1)(a) of the Land Acquisition Act within a period of 6 weeks. However, the petitioner has filed this writ petition. The learned counsel appearing for the respondents 2 and 3 would further submit that the petitioner in his lawyer's notice dated 18/4/2014 has only sought for the compensation amount to be paid with interest within 7 days from the date of receipt of the notice, and he has not sought for reference under section 18 of the Land Acquisition Act.